Hello guys and welcome to my unboxing number 4, I think. I'm not sure. Z-Box. That time is bigger for the other times. Let's see what I have inside. Let's see. What's this? It's the I think. The third, I'll show you the last. Oh my god. Batman. Fucking hell, it's very good. You have another Batman, Wonder Woman, Superman and Catwoman. Batman is my best from DC. It's very good. I'm not opening it, okay? It's this. Which other? Suicide Squad. It's the book. It's book, no image. Say the official movie novelization. Say here. That's it. Good. Now this is the Mac. It's here inside Marvel. Let's see. I need to destroy the packet. Yeah. Oh. Hell. From Spider-Man thing, I'm not sure. But look at this Mac. It's heavy. Very good. Yeah. The book, you know, the book with this. The next box is Dark vs Light. Nice. And the box inside two things. First, if you can't protect the earth, you can't be damned, sure will avenge it. And the second, there isn't much justice in this world. Perhaps that's why it's so satisfying of occasionally, I don't know, make some, say here inside. And this shirt, let's see. Many colors. Yes. But here is the eye. Same with this. Okay guys, that's my unboxing. I love the button. See you next week maybe. Bye.